In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in ETFs on the Robinhood app. This is pretty easy to do, but if you want it to be even easier, check out my video on how to invest in ETFs on Cash App. I think overall it's easier to grasp. So if you're struggling with this, check out that one. So the first thing to understand is what is an ETF? It's an exchange traded fund. An ETF is a pooled investment security that can be bought and sold like any individual stock. So basically it's like a fund that can be traded on an exchange. Funds that trade on exchanges generally tracking a specific index. So when you look up what is an index fund, basically it's a bunch of stocks or assets pooled together, and then you just buy this one bundle. Then if one thing in the bundle fails, you're still safe as an investor because you still have the other 99 things in that bundle. On the opposite of that, if you invest in just one stock or one idea and that fails, then you lose all of your money. So it's designed to be a more safe investment. And you can just buy and sell these things by tapping around. You don't really have to know what's going on. They make it pretty easy. So first of all, once you're signed up for Robinhood, by the way, you can sign up with the link in the description. I think you get a free stock if you sign up. Then the first thing you want to do is make sure you have buying power. Right here under the chart, it will say your buying power. So you can tap on that. You can see I have $5.99. If you don't have any money, you're going to want to click deposit funds on the bottom of the screen. You're going to have to connect your bank account or a card, and then you'll be able to deposit funds to Robinhood. So let's go back here. And then the next thing we want to do is find the ETFs or find an ETF to invest in. So we can tap the search icon at the top of the screen, and then we just want to search ETF. And then you can kind of just ignore all of that stuff, but up here is going to be what you want to tap on. So you probably just want to tap on 20 most popular ETFs. And this is going to show you some of the best ones. VOO, SPY, and QQQ are very popular ones that I've heard of a lot. So you can see VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Basically, this is going to mimic the S&P 500. So let's tap on this. You can see a chart, see what's going on. See that long term, this really tends to go up. And you can scroll down and get a lot of more information. The fund is passively managed to hold large cap US stocks selected by an S&P committee. The listed name for VOO is Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Index tracked is the S&P 500. They have 500 different assets in this fund that you're buying, and you can see the sectors that they invest in right here. So mostly technology. Here's some of the stats and performance, but yeah, there's an overview and more detailed information if you need it. Now to purchase this, we just want to tap trade, and then we want to tap buy. And then you can select if you want to purchase a number of shares, or you can tap the icon in the top right and tap buy in dollars, which is probably what I want to do because I can't afford an entire share with just this $6 on my account. But you don't have to buy a whole share. You can just buy $1, $2, whatever you want to do. You can also tap dollars in the top right and get a bunch of other options, like if you want to do a reoccurring investment or a limit order or all of these other options. But I'm just going to stick with buy in dollars. I'm going to buy $2 worth. I'm going to tap review, and I'm going to swipe up to submit. It's sending my order. My order is complete. Your market order to buy $2 is complete. And the VOO has been purchased, as you just saw there at the top of the screen. Tap done. And then we can go back again, go back again. And this is just the home screen, the main screen of the app. We can scroll down. It's going to show the things in my portfolio. So I have Bitcoin. I think I only have like $6 of that. I have Tesla. I have Berkshire Hathaway stock. And I have VOO. That's the index fund that we just purchased. An individual share of this is $516, and I purchased $2 of this. If we scroll down, it's going to say your position, how many shares I own, and the current market value. If I wanted to sell this, I could tap trade and then go through the sell option there. Yeah, there you have it. How to invest in ETFs on Robinhood app. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.